You can make money watching videos online. Could be different kind of videos on YouTube, videos that will be sent to you. But bottom line is, if you want to make money online, whether passive or actively, you're going to find the right websites for you if you just watch videos online, if you watch people who are giving you tutorials, and that is what I am doing. If you're coming across my video for the first time, my name is Kendi. I share information matters: 1, relocation abroad, and 2, how you can make money online. So I want to share with you ways, 2 websites actually, that you can make money online through watching videos. These are platforms that you can actually download on your phone, or you can use your laptop and watch videos online. These are tasks that depend and pay differently depending on each and every task that is given for you or that is available, and the pay is anywhere between 100 USD to 200 USD depending on the kind of tasks that you take in a week. And you'll be paid in your PayPal account, and you can be paid from anywhere around the world. I will be showing you these websites because I feel most of the time, if you're looking for information on how you can make money online, most of the time you're not given tutorials on how to go about it, and that is why I'm going an extra mile to ensure that I can share as much as I can on how you can register, what kind of jobs are available, how you can go about it. And if you need to just download the app, you just use the internet on your phone and download the apps, and you'll find different tasks. Remember, I have said here before, the only way you can make more money online is if you put in the work, because depending on different websites, different platforms, the pay could be sometimes very low. It could be anything between $1 to actually below, or that is in terms of cents. So for you to be able to rake in anywhere between 100 to 200 USD in a week, it means you need to put anywhere between 2 hours to 5 hours of your time during the day. So it depends whether you're working or whether you have a 9-to-5 job. You can just schedule yourself and at least work 2 hours when you leave work and go home. If you do not have any work, this is a very good pathway for you. This is a good opportunity for you that will allow you to make more money as long as you have internet, that is 1, and 2, you have mobile phones with you, because those are the basic tools that you need for you to be able to rake in something, so at least 10 USD. If you put in some work, you'll start seeing growth. And also remember, most of these websites or platform, the more you're putting in the hour, the more they're going to give you tasks that are paying you better money. So the secret is, start small. While you're growing and you're putting in the work, you'll start seeing more fruit, because they'll be sending your way more or better paying tasks, because they know you'll be doing this kind of jobs and you've shown that you're dedicated to do this kind of tasks. The first one we are going to look at is Mode Mobile. It could be Mode Mobile. So turning the smartphone into the ear and phone, we are revolutionizing the smartphone industry with the world's first and phone powered by Mode's proprietor and OS. So what Mode does, Mode will pay you different for you to perform different tasks to be able to make money online with their app or their phone app. Okay, so they have over 2 million reviews, 40 million USD from investors around the world. It is a very good platform, one that I've used before. Once I grew and knew other platforms, definitely I had to leave it, because at that juncture it was not serving my purpose. And definitely with you making money online, once you get into it, you'll know and you learn other apps that are paying better, so you might not be able to stick on all the apps all the time. So mobile users are rewarded for listening to music, playing games, tracking fitness, charging their phones, shopping. And by shopping is most of the time shopping for other people, surfing the web, reading the news, completing tasks, watching videos, and many other more. So they could be very different tasks that you'll find. They also have careers on their website. These are skilled professional careers that, anyway, it is very good for me to mention them, because I also talk about a lot of careers. And the good thing with such careers, they are remote opportunities. I share a lot about remote opportunities here. So if these also are things that you'll do, or things or jobs that you'll want to pursue, then you can check them out. So other than that, the only thing you need to do is download the Mode Mobile app. Then you'll get a sign in, you'll get all the tasks that are available, and once you complete these tasks, you'll be able via the dashboard to see how much you're getting paid. The other one is paid work. Make money online, on the phone, complete computer or tablet, get paid wherever you are without any investment. So for paid worker, you also need to do the same, because you're using your phone, your laptop, your tablet to watch videos mostly online. So the thing you need to do is also download the app either on your phone or on your laptop, and then sign in. Once you sign in, you'll be given different tasks to perform based on what is available, and you can choose. You actually make the decision most of the time to choose the tasks that you want to perform. It is as simple as that. I'll leave all the links on the description box. Please do watch the video till the end. Until next time, be safe, keep safe, and bye.